Hey guys, welcome back. So another extension we're gonna use quite a bit here is Docker, because you can see we're gonna have some Docker files. So let's install Docker, and that's the image we want. You can see it's the one with 5.1 million downloads. We can just install it, and now it's working. And if you notice here, I can just see I had an error on one of my Docker files. For example, when it's already telling me work path should be absolute, and I forgot that here. And that will help me fix my mistakes and also help me with some autocomplete, of course. So we see work there and already telling me the work there path, and I can just put a tab there. So that's a short class, but important tool that we needed. I'll see you on the next class.